Now it's time to learn how acids react with metals. Till now we have learned what are acids, what are bases and what are indicators. Now we will be learning the chemical properties of acids and bases. The first step is how acids react with metals. Alright. So whenever you take an acid and allow it to react with a metal, this is a general equation. If you take an acid and allow it to react with a metal, what you are going to get is a salt plus hydrogen gas. This is general equation. If I take an example, for example, let's take an acid HCl aqueous plus metal, let's say Na, sodium, and if I allow it to react, I'll get NaCl, that is again aqueous because it is a salt, and I'll get a hydrogen gas. Hydrogen is a gas, right? And obviously sodium is a metal. So if I allow this kind of reactions, then as you can see, you have a salt, sodium chloride, NaCl here, and a gas, that is hydrogen. Okay. Now what is interesting over here is to learn is the property of hydrogen. For example, suppose I have conducted this experiment in lab, and in the test tube I am left with a hydrogen gas. The very simple problem is, if a gas is produced in a test tube, how do you know it is hydrogen? Because you can't see the gas, right? It can be hydrogen, it can be oxygen, it can be any other gases. So what you have to learn here is a very small topic, that is taste for hydrogen gas. How do you know that the gas that is formed in the test tube is hydrogen? Now what is the taste for hydrogen gas? You must have learned the earlier classes. Hydrogen gas always burns with a pop sound. You understand pop sound, right? So whenever this kind of reaction happens, hydrogen gas is produced. Now to check whether that is hydrogen or not, what are you going to do? You're going to take the test tube and put a flame over here. Now if it burns with a pop sound, then it is hydrogen gas. You understand pop sound? You know pop sound, right? So it goes like this, like that. So if it burns like this, the flame will go out, the hydrogen gas will burn. So no other gases burns with pop sound, right? This is the sound, right? So no other gases burns with pop sound, only hydrogen gas. So this is the taste for hydrogen. It is often asked in the exam, what is the taste for hydrogen gas? So this is going to be the answer. Hydrogen gas always burns with a pop sound, right? So this is how acids react with metals. Next, in the next video, we're going to learn how acids and bases react with each other. That is going to be a very interesting topic.